In the previous video, we learned about rack modifications and additions. In this video, we will learn about the rack view in detail. One of the modifications initiated in the latest version of the Local Edge Configurator 2.0 is the addition of Rack View tab. Once you select the required racks, you can view the rack positions on the floor and unplaced equipment by clicking the Rack View tab. The Rack View tab takes you directly to the rack status of selected racks and their description. This is the new Rack View page of Local Edge Configurator 2.0. Here, you can see that 2 racks are under unplaced equipment and 1 rack is on the floor. This screen displays the details of U-space available inside the rack and provision of placing number of power distribution units, PDUs. Since there are no third-party equipment or UPS placed, it shows 0 watts for both the values, which are 0 watt load and 0 watt capacity. The same details are displayed at the bottom as well. On the right-hand side, you will find the mounting and power path details along with the physical details. Once you click on the rack, the details pertaining to the rack and shipping are shown. Let's go back to the cart for Bill of Materials, BOM. Click on the cart icon. You will be directed to this screen, which shows the Bill of Materials, BOM. You can see that only the rack is added under the Bill of Materials, BOM. Now, let us add uninterruptible power supply, UPS, and see the difference in the Bill of Materials, BOM. When you add one uninterruptible power supply, UPS, you can see that the cart section status changes. Now, click the cart icon. You can see that uninterruptible power supply, UPS, is also added to the Bill of Materials, BOM. Apart from this, you will also receive warnings as shown here. For example, here the warning states that the uninterruptible power supply, UPS, must be placed in the first U position of rack, or on top of a battery, or an RM cooling unit. Once you move the uninterruptible power supply, UPS, as per the warning, you will now see that the warning is removed. And you must also note that the recommendations are optional. Now, click the cart section. You will see that Clear Design is added onto this page. If you wish to clear the current design, click Clear Design. Reports are also added under the cart section. This is a new modification in Local Edge Configurator 2.0. You can download the reports in either of the formats as per the requirement. You can recheck for any warnings or recommendations and get them fixed to ensure that the design is perfect. Click Fix It for me, and the recommendation gets verified. Once you find that the design is verified and find a green tick mark on the top, you can click Go to Solution Overview page. On clicking Go to Solution Overview page, you will get a pop-up to pre-integrate and configure. Here, pre-integration is country-specific and applicable only if your design is eligible to get pre-integrated. And if the design is perfect, you can proceed further by clicking Yes. On clicking Yes, you will be directed to Solution Overview page. With this, we have come to the end of this video. In this video, we have learned about the Rack View feature in detail.